If you are a non-native speaker or you are learning English pronunciation or English speaking, you might be having these questions in your mind. Which letter is to be pronounced in English? Which letter is silent? How are the letters pronounced? What is the correct way to pronounce any word in English? Is there any way or not? Is there a way to be confident about English pronunciation? If you are searching the answers for these questions on YouTube or on any other platform, your search ends here. No need to go anywhere. You are going to learn a lot of tips about English pronunciation. Alright, lot of content you will get on this channel related to English pronunciation to be confident. That will be sufficient for you to be confident for pronouncing any word in English correctly. Hello everyone. Welcome to Explore More and Learn. I am Dr. Anshul, your English coach, your English guide. I hope this video is going to be very useful and informative for you, especially for those who are learning English as a second language or those who are non-native speakers. So today's video is revealing the secret for 100% correct English pronunciation. What's that? You'll come to know in this video. I've seen many people can understand English, like they are able to understand what the other person is trying to convey. If somebody is trying to communicate with them in English, they can understand somehow. But when they start speaking in English, they find it quite difficult and they hesitate or struggle. And many of them are there, those who can speak in English somehow in broken sentences or by using some words, but they find it quite difficult to pronounce in English correctly. And that's why they think that this word is mispronounced, or maybe they think that their message is not conveyed properly because of the wrong pronunciation. So this video is taking you from unknown to known. So you are moving your step from unknown to known. What is the secret? Because you have not been taught about English pronunciation, right? So what is the reason that you are not knowing about these tips? What is the reason behind it? See, whatever you are pronouncing in English, that doesn't match with the spelling of the word, right? So what we speak, we can write by using spelling, but what we pronounce, do we have the way to write that? Do you know the way? Because there is a way, but do you know about it? So in this video you will come to know what is the way to write what we pronounce, because you already know what you speak to write, but you don't know to write what you pronounce. Okay? Once you know what you pronounce, the way to write that, you will definitely be able to speak in English or to pronounce any word in English like a pro. Okay, you will be confident. I am confident about this. Okay, so let's begin. So you all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Am I right? And we write any spelling of the words by using these 26 letters. And out of these 26 letters, there are 5 vowel letters and 21 are consonant letters. Is it clear? So this is quite clear that we have 5 vowel letters and rest of the letters are consonant letters, right? Now you see, you have been taught that this letter has that sound, that letter has that sound. Like you have been taught like I has I sound in pin, I has I sound in ink. So children have been taught like I has I sound, P has P sound, N has N sound in this way. But you see, the same I having I sound here, but the same I doesn't have I sound here. In the bird, it has a sound. Okay, these are very simple examples just to make you understand like how spellings do not match with the pronunciation. Okay, now double O in cool. So we have long oo sound, cool, but here the same letters double O have short O sound, book. Okay, seed, letter EA, they have long E sound here, but here double E, they have long E sound like tree, seed, tree, same sound but letters are different. But here same letters but sound is different. Near, here the sound is ear. Okay, so this is the difference. Now you see some more complications related to English pronunciation children may have or even adults have, like enter. Here you see letters are EN and they have enter. So letter E has a sound here, but here same letter E has I sound here. So here how will you pronounce it? This is not enjoy, this is enjoy. Enjoy. Okay, here we don't have a sound. Now the same letter, but here the sound is O. So this is not entrepreneur, this is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. So did you see the difference? What's that? Here we have a sound, here we have I sound, but here we have O sound. O. Okay, so this is the difference. This is entrepreneur. That means that pronunciation doesn't match with the spelling. So that's why it's very important for you to know about the secret to pronounce any word in English correctly. Okay? So now you will get the answers for all these questions which you have in your mind. So what is the answer? The answer is for all these questions is phonetic transcription. If you know about phonetic transcription, then you will get the answer for all the questions. What is phonetic transcription? You might think. So phonetic transcription is the visual representation of speech sounds by means of symbols. You may have a lot of questions in your mind like what are speech sounds, what are the symbols, and visual representation. What is that? What is phonetic transcription? Phonetic transcription, I have told, the visual representation of speech sounds by means of symbols. What are speech sounds? What are the symbols? You will learn here step by step in detail. Okay? Because, I have many years of experience to teach this topic, that is phonetics. So don't worry about it. My book is already published and that is available on Amazon. If you want, you can go and read that and you will learn a lot about English pronunciation. Okay, so here phonetic transcription I have told you, so don't worry, you will learn, definitely you will learn. Just have patience and keep learning. Okay, so now as I have already told you that we have 5 vowel letters, and out of those 5 letters we have how many sounds, and out of 26 letters how many sounds are there, I'll tell you. So total letters we have 26, right? In English alphabet we have 26 letters, and how many sounds are there? From these 26 letters we get 44 sounds. If you know about these 44 sounds, then it will be very quick for you to pronounce any word in English. Okay, so what did you learn? 26 letters have 44 sounds. What are these sounds called? Do you know? These sounds are called IPA. IPA is, what is the full form? That is International Phonetic Alphabet. Okay, and these sounds, like one sound, each sound, like 44, so 1, 2, 3, 4, each sound is known as phoneme. Okay, so these sounds are known as phonemes. So altogether we have 44 phonemes. You got it? And they are called International Phonetic Alphabet. That means these phonemes are used internationally. We all will use similar phonemes, similar sounds to pronounce any word. So there won't be any difference whether it's UK or Australia, India, wherever you want to speak in English, you will know the correct pronunciation of the word. And here I am talking about British pronunciation, British English, because we are following British English in India. All right. So now I'll tell you further in detail. So 44 sounds are there, okay, from 26 letters. So as you know, 5 vowel letters are there and 21 consonants are there. Here I am talking about letters. Okay, 26 letters. How many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. So we have 5 vowel letters and 21 consonant letters. Okay, but from these 5 vowel letters, how many vowel sounds we have? So we have 20 vowel sounds from just 5 vowel letters. We have 20 vowel sounds. From just 21 letters, we have 24 consonant sounds. So total is 44. Okay, so 44 is divided in this way. You got it? Like 20 vowels and 24 consonants. So 20 vowels, I'll tell you now 20 vowels. 20 vowels are further divided into 2 groups. Okay, number 1 monophthongs, number 2 diphthongs. Are you understanding? Should I repeat it? See, we have 26 letters. Let me tell you one more time. 26 letters. From 26 letters, we have 44 sounds. Okay? And these sounds are known as phonemes. Clear? This much? And now just divide them further. So 44 sounds are divided into vowels and consonant sounds. 20 vowels are there and 24 consonant sounds are there. So here I am talking about sounds, not letters, remember. Got it? Now I'll tell you. Further division. 20 vowels are further divided into 2 groups. Number 1 monophthongs and number 2 diphthongs. Maybe you will find it difficult initially, but if you learn it with patience, it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay? Believe me. So here, monophthongs, how many are there? So 20 vowels divided. Monophthongs, which are known as pure vowels, they are 12, and diphthongs, which are known as gliding vowel, impure vowel, you can say. So there are 8. Total 20. Okay, so 12 monophthongs, 8 diphthongs. This is the division. This much is sufficient, I think, for you, because you will learn one by one. Now I will show you the sound chart. Here you can see these are the symbols. 44 sounds are there, and these are the symbols for monophthongs, diphthongs, and these are the symbols for consonant sounds. Total 44 sounds are there here in front of you. Now you may have this question in your mind, like, why should you know about these sounds? Because maybe you think that you can pronounce any word in English by practicing. But how many words you can learn? Let me give you some examples. Suppose I ask you how to pronounce this word. You will say this is a very simple exam, right? Maybe some of you will say exam because E is there. But let me tell you here, letter E doesn't have a sound, so this is not exam. And A doesn't have a sound, because E has I sound. Okay, if I phonetically transcribe this word, as I told you, phonetic transcription, then exam. This is a phonetic transcription for that word. Okay, so this is exam. Letter E has I sound and letter A has A sound. So this is exam. Exam. Okay, in this way it's very important for you to know about this, and this is not sufficient. There are so many things which you must learn to pronounce any word in English correctly with correct word stress. Okay, now next word, gate. How do you pronounce it? Maybe you will think that A might be having this A sound. Maybe you will think in this way. Gate, no. How will you feel the difference? This is gate. Gate. Okay, so here we glide from one sound to another sound, that is gate. So letter A has two sound here, gate, gate, not gate. Okay, in the same way, another example, you will think this is very easy. What's so difficult? Here maybe you pronounce it like boy. Boy, what do you say? Let me tell you, here letter Y doesn't have Y sound. This is not boy. Boy, yeah, no yeah sound here. What do we have? We have I, that is I sound here. So this is boy, 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 I, not ya. Okay, so very simple examples I am taking so that it's very easy for you to understand, like how letters are different from their pronunciation. They are not pronounced the way you think. There is a lot to learn. Okay, so how to pronounce it? You will say go. This is very simple. Go. No, this is not go. Just listen to native speakers, then you will understand the difference. But you can't learn so many words by listening to them. You can learn a lot, but not the whole thing you can learn. If you know about these only 44 sounds, you will learn the difference. Then you will listen to them and you will feel the difference. So this is go. Okay, go, go. Exam, gate, boy, go. So this is the difference. That's why you must know about these English speech sounds and their symbols. I have already posted a lot of videos about this topic, that is phonetics, on my channel. If you want, you can watch. Otherwise, I have already started teaching in this way. So if you really want to be confident about your English pronunciation, then do not miss the videos I am going to post in future. And don't miss the videos I have already posted. So thank you for watching. If you have liked this video, then press like, subscribe this channel if you are new, and press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Keep learning.